Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team with another episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. Today we're in downtown Bethlehem to check out a shop called Crave, where you can swing by and get a clean energy smoothie. So let's go in and check it out.
Yeah, I guess we're like more than just shakes. Like you can come here and just get a shake and just get a clean energy drink and like enjoy the community, and that's phenomenal. But if you're like in that position where you're searching for a better way to like lose weight and get good health in a very nutritious and like balanced approach versus all these fad diets that are out there today, like that's what we have. And we have coaches that will sit down with you and talk to you about your lifestyle, your goals, your budget, and create the perfect plan that then you can go out and achieve what you're looking to achieve. So my freshman 15 was actually more like a freshman 50, put on a lot of weight in college, and as I was graduating and looking at the end of my senior year and looking at a wedding that was coming up, decided I wanted to shed some weight and get healthy. So got started on my nutrition plan, lost about 35 pounds, it rocked my world, decided to help out other people do the exact same thing, and then it just grew faster than I thought. I let go of my teaching career and pursued this business. Once I saw that there was a really sweet spot in the market, and once I saw that we had a team here, decided to open up a retail space, thus Crave was built, and we opened up last May, so May of 2018, and since then it has just been a roller coaster by all means, and yeah, a really cool journey. The number one thing that we hear from our community is that the energy here is just phenomenal. You can come in after a day of work or a day of stress, or maybe there's just something overwhelming you, and you can come in and you're gonna be met with a really positive group of people that are just encouraging, uplifting you, and making you feel at home, and that way you can go on with your day in a better light. So I'm actually a newcomer to the Lehigh Valley and was brought here in 2016. Really got connected and started to like make my little circle here, and yeah, since opening the store it has been so cool to be able to meet so many different people and personalities and get to know like what makes this valley the valley. I think the thing that the valley is always searching for is like, where can I get plugged in and where can I meet other people that are like-minded and goal-oriented, and yeah, we're kind of meeting that target by helping people get amazing results and get into the best shape of their life, but then also finding the people that also want to then impact other people and getting them behind the bar and working and building a business so that they one day can open up their own store and just like rock the business ownership and entrepreneurial life.
I hope you liked this episode. If you did, please like, comment, and make sure you share with friends so we can get the word out. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss another episode of About Lehigh Valley.